suffer from dark circles? Have you ever noticed that the eyes are a remarkable point of our faces? Dark circles end up drawing even more attention to us, usually brown or purple. These marks appear due to the high concentration of melanin or clogging of the capillary vessels around the eyes. Other factors like allergies, fatigue, skin aging, excess sun exposure, and other environmental damages aggravate dark circles. There are some basic steps to lessen the tired aspect of your eyes. Did you know that? See 4 homemade treatments to lessen or get rid of your dark circles naturally. Cucumber slices. You know that trick of putting cold cucumber slices over the eyes to treat dark circles? It actually works. Cucumber contains flavonoids that improve the tonus of the blood vessels in the area and lessen dark circles. Isn't it amazing? Mashed tomato. Did you know that mashed tomatoes can be used to lighten the skin? Tomato is a natural skin lightener that works pretty well against dark circles and can also lessen freckles. Nice, isn't it? Leave your tomato in the fridge until cold, then mash with a fork and apply under your eyes. Let it act for 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Chamomile Cold Compress. A great natural medicine against dark circles is a cold compress made with chamomile tea. The plant helps rejuvenate the skin, lightening the dark color and the swelling under the eyes, thanks to the flavonoids that boost the blood circulation in the area. Make a chamomile tea by adding the flowers and leaves to the water and bringing it to a boil. After boiling, wait until cold, then strain. Soak a cotton pad in the cold tea and apply over your dark circles for 15 minutes. Another way of doing cold compresses is soaking a tea sachet in cold water and applying it over your eyes for 15 minutes. Ice cube. Another nice trick is to apply an ice cube for 10 seconds over your closed eyes as soon as you wake up. The blood vessels in the skin contract because of the cold, lessening the deepness of your dark circles and naturally lightening the skin. Cool, right? As you can see, all you need is a little bit of attention to the area, and before you realize it, your eyes will be bright again.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.